3D printed kit cards are cards you can print. They come with pieces inside that you snap out, and then you assemble them into cool little models like this. It's a great way to kill some time, and it's better than doom scrolling on your phone, and I'm gonna rank those kit cards from worst to best. So number 10 is the ATST Walker Kit Card. It took about 2 hours to print. The reason why it's number 10 is it did print well, however, putting it together, the pieces just didn't really snap together that well. It still continuously falls apart. On top of that, to stand up straight, I had to bend the legs a little bit, and I'm always afraid I'm gonna break something when I do that. But still is just not very sturdy at all, and it can easily just tip over. With a little bit of paint and cleanup, it might be worth putting on a shelf or something. For me, I don't want to be printing another one. So number 9 is the Velociraptor Kit Card. The print time was about 3 hours. It's 2 hours and 44 minutes. It was a little confusing to put together, but in a good way, like putting together a puzzle. I like the way it looks from a distance. Up close, it does look a little rough, but maybe if you cleaned it up a little bit, it would look good on a shelf. The reason why I put this at number 9 is the rib section and the legs didn't stay together that well. I had to find the only glue in my house to keep it together. Comes down to it though, it's pretty cool looking, and I am going to be printing out more dinosaur ones in the future. So number 8 is the Jeep Kit Card. At just over an hour of print time, an hour and 16 minutes, it's not a terrible choice. I believe that this was the second most downloaded kit card on Maker World. It looks to be very popular. The reason why it's so low on my list is it didn't print very well, details didn't come out very solid, and the connection pieces don't really snap together. The last piece that holds the bottom of the Jeep onto the body piece won't snap in correctly. It's a little bit off, it's not really aligned. Overall, it's not a terrible kit card. I wish they would fix the bottom piece that would keep the frame onto the body. If they did that, I'd probably print this out and give it to some people. So number 8 is the Minibike Kit Card. The print time is 52 minutes, so just under an hour. The reason why I picked this originally. I actually think that this is underrated on Maker World based off of the downloads. I really like this one. The details are great, and it's not difficult to put together, but it's not easy either. It is a bit fragile, so you want to be careful with it, but it comes with a kickstand, and I think it would look good on a shelf. I liked it so much that I even printed out a few kit cards just to hand out to friends and family. So number 6, we have the Wheel Loader Kit Card. It takes 2.5 hours to print out. There's 2 kit cards. I did one orange and one black. It just looks pretty cool that way. This card here, a lot of bending and snapping together. Really like because it brings it to form pretty quickly. Do really like it. I think it looks really cool. It looked good on a shelf. You can push it around like a little car. However, the wheels are a little bit loose, and when you bend it, it's a little fragile, so be careful so you don't break anything. I broke the back rail on this. So number 5 is the Excavator Kit Card. I'm a little biased with this one because I just bought a mini excavator. I started a new YouTube channel on that, so check that out in the description. This comes from the same creator as the Wheel Loader. Just like the Wheel Loader, it has 2 kit cards. I did orange and black so they match. It also is a fold and snap together. You just want to be very careful. It's very fragile. I was a little too rough with the pilot cage here, and I broke where it folds, so it doesn't look that great. The only criticism I have on this is the boom arm is very loose. It just goes into a little slot there, so it falls off a lot. Outside of that though, I thought it was super clever what they did with the tractor treads. It just makes it look a little cooler and more realistic. Definitely recommend this one. It looks good on a shelf or next to your desk. Number 4 is the C17 Plane Kit Card. This is the longest one to print out at 9 hours and 11 minutes. I downloaded this one because it reminded me of model plane kits. Definitely not as hard to put together as one of those. In fact, it's the easiest kit card that I've put together so far. Thought it was really clever how on the back of these engines they come in 2 pieces and they have dots so you know which one goes where. The problems that I had with this was under the wings, the engines didn't slide in well. I had to scrape those out, and the engines, since they are 2 pieces, I had to super glue them together or else they'll spread apart. I do like that it came with a stand. It does look good when you put it together, and I do think it's shelf worthy. All right, so we're moving into the top 3 now. So at number 3, I have the Golf MK1 Kit Card. I am putting this at number 3 because of how detailed it looks. Functions like a toy car. You can push it around your desk, and I thought it was pretty clever how they had the kit card. I did run into some issues with this putting this together. The seats wouldn't fit, so I had to trim some off the sides. When putting the body together, nothing would really stay and snap in. So I did have to end up gluing the pieces together. And then once the body was glued together, then I finished by putting in the rest in the bottom, the seats and everything else. I thought it was really clever how the steering wheel, where they put that in the kit card, but it was too thin to actually work in here, so this is missing the steering wheel. Overall though, it is a pretty cool kit card. It took me the longest to put together, I think just because of the gluing. Would recommend it. It's fun just to have this. Number 2 is the Forklift Kit Card. Same creators as the Excavator and Wheel Loader. 2 hours and 9 minutes to print out. It comes with 2 kit cards. I did orange and black again, and it is a bend and snap together as well. It looks really good. Details are good up close and from a distance, so it's nice to put on a shelf. The reason why it's number 2 is it was not a long print time, it was fun to put together, and it functions like a little toy that you can push around. Definitely think this is one of the best that I've put together. So number 1 is the Dummy 13 Kit Card. There's 2 main cards. There's the armor and then there's the skeleton. It's 3 hours and 45 minutes to print all of that out. I ended up printing out 3 of these, and doing 2-tone color looks way better than just doing a solid color. Fun to put together. It takes about 30 minutes, and it's the second downloaded kit card on Maker World, and I think it's well deserved. Overall, the detail is great. It's fun to put together. It not only looks good, but it functions well and it's fun to pose around the room. So those are my top 10 kit cards. If there's one that you want to see me make, put it down in the comments. If you like this video, hit like and subscribe. That lets me know if I should make more.